Hello, Facebook Live. It's Jamie here, and as you can see, I'm on a great adventure for the day. I am actually up at Sam's Point doing a hike on this beautiful December day. It's amazing how warm it is today. I'm actually a little bit overdressed, but that's okay. Let's see if you can see behind me the beautiful lake. I'm actually at the top of the mountain. It's actually beautiful up there, isn't it? And up here, of just taking advantage of the day, getting out. Sam's Point is absolutely beautiful. And really, as you can see, really any time of the year, I usually get up here in the summer and the fall and the spring. I don't get up here that much in the winter. I was actually up here last week with a friend out here hiking in the snow. It was a nice warmer day. I actually have to be careful because there's a lot of ice. If you can see, the path is a little bit icy, so I'm trying to be careful. Thanks to those who are watching. I appreciate it. One of the things that Marcus and I, always do is, we are always trying to promote the area. Our area is absolutely beautiful. So much to offer all the time, and Sam's Point is one of those great things that you can get out and bring your animals and go hike. There's the ice caves up here. I think those might be closed this time of the year. Again, thank you for those who are watching. If you're watching this live, put hashtag live in the comments below. But anyway, it's amazing what our area has to offer, and to get out there and appreciate it and take advantage of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I actually have to just be careful here. This is a little bit icy. Again, I'm up at Sam's Point on this beautiful 50-degree day in December. It's actually, let's see if I can turn this around so you can kind of see. Sun is starting to set. It's actually, it's actually a little bit windy up here. I'm actually at the top now, so it might be a little bit windy. I apologize. But I needed a break. From, we were doing a lot of Aroma Thyme Christmas Day soup kitchen stuff today. We had lots of volunteers in the restaurant helping prep dressing, bread. Thank you to Bread Alone again for donating the bread. Thank you to Mosquito for donating some cookies, I think, and Murray's for donating the turkeys that we serve for years. And thank you to all the desserts that are coming in, all of the families, some homemade desserts on Christmas Day, and they're coming in, so thank you. If you're baking the next 2 days, if you bake an extra dozen cookies even, that would be awesome. We always need baked goods, and let's see, and then we are going to serve hopefully about 550 people on Christmas Day our soup kitchen. If you can donate a little bit of money, we have a GoFundMe. I don't know if Marcus is on and watching. If he is, drop the link for the GoFundMe page. It costs about $5 a day, $5 a person to feed, on top of all the donations and everything that we get. And if you could support that, we also have a shower at the restaurant. If you're in the area, stop in, drop a few dollars in there. That'd be awesome as well. Let's see. Christmas Eve, we are open at the restaurant. Again, if you're just tuning in, I'm up at Sam's Point. And this is interesting, the top of the, turn this around here. Look at all this snow up here still at the top of the mountain. The drifts up here are amazing. That's what I was just walking through up here. Anyway, I'm up at Sam's Point taking advantage of the beautiful area that we live in. I know it's winter, it's December, but I gotta tell you, it's 50 degrees out here. It's actually just a little bit warm. But here at the top, I'm actually comfortable. The hike up was a little warm, but right now I'm comfortable. We are open The table is yours for the rest of the night. You'll ring in the new year with us. We have music and dancing, a dessert bar that goes out around 10 o'clock, a toast at midnight. We do the countdown. It's so much fun. We dance and party and just have a great time. So thanks again if you are tuning in. If you're watching this live, hashtag live on the bottom in the comments. If you are watching from a distance, put where you're watching from. Let me know. I love to see where people are actually watching me from. So again, I'm up at Sam's Point and just taking a break. Crazy Christmas Day soup kitchen, getting everything together and prepping. And thanks to everybody for helping with that. My mom and dad are really valuable in helping me with that. My mom works with all the volunteers. My dad gets all the volunteers together, coordinates it. My dad helps with all the volunteers in the kitchen and getting all the food prepped. So thank you again. It's awesome. And oh, there's some dogs out on a hike. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. And anyway, get out there. Take advantage of the area, man. It is beautiful out here. There's not many 50-degree days in the middle of December, that's for sure. And it's beautiful. You can hear it's a little sloshy as I'm walking through. But again, thanks everybody. I appreciate it. Aroma Thyme is open tonight. We're open tomorrow night, Christmas Eve. Closed Christmas Day, but we are doing a soup kitchen on Christmas Day. So we're there all day. If you're baking baked goods, drop them off anytime from now till Christmas. If you can donate, that'd be awesome. There's a GoFundMe account. And hope everybody has a happy holiday and enjoy your family and friends. And oop, I just went right through little hole there. Anyway, have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.